Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I just love how versatile this suit is from Rescay. First off, I love the color. This is champagne, and it's so beautifully neutral and goes with a lot of different colors and styles. I even like dressing it down with just a t-shirt. I think it looks really cute with the sleeves rolled up with that style. It gives it a little bit more of a casual look, a little bit more laid back. But if you're going for like the full-on corporate look, you can definitely leave it unrolled and add in a blouse or something else that is a little bit more business-like. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and my measurements were somewhere between a medium and a large per the manufacturer's size chart. So I went ahead and sized up to a size large. To make the large fit me perfectly, I went ahead and did a few alterations because I'm a seamstress. I went ahead and took in a little bit on the waist and the butt, and then did hem it to accommodate my height. This has a fitted waistband and they are unlined, so I found that it looked really good when I would wear it with a pair of Spanx. And I love that the jacket is fully lined, and when it's rolled up, I think that the contrast on the lining looks really good. I love how this suit can accommodate so many different looks. It doesn't have to be just for work. You could use it on a date night or going out with the girls. I just think it's really cute, and they have many different colors and sizes, so you're sure to find the one that's best for you. I really love wearing it, and that's my point of view.